southeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, northern Lake County in northwestern Indiana until 11:30 a.m. At 11:02 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Sydney to Dalton, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Chicago, Cicero, Hammond, Gary, Oak Lawn, Irwin, Oak Park, Calumet City, West Town, Chicago Lawn, Englewood, Austin, South Shore, Roseland, Lincoln Park, Bridgeport, Chicago Loop, South Lawndale, Lakeview, Midway Airport, Irving Park, East Chicago, Cherville, Burbank, and Lansing. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.